As an affiliate partner, I may earn a small commission at no cost to you. I really got to do something to this front porch to make it, give it a little more pizzazz. How about that? Hey everybody, Justin with Norton Media Enterprise. Today we're putting together the Allen Roth Ivy Meadows chat set from Lowe's. It comes with 2 rocking chairs and a side table. We're going to see just how easy it is to assemble and whether it's actually something we'd enjoy sitting in once it's done. Let's jump in. Ours parts C and D. So the front of your rocker is going to be the straight bar. So what you're going to do is lay it on its side. Take the part D. This will be the front. You set that on top. Add your screws. I'm going to hand tighten these first. Because that's what the instructions say. Step 2 requires part C and A. We're going to line these up. Once you have all your screws hand tightened and everything assembled, go back through with your Allen wrench and hand tighten everything down to where everything's snug. Well, with the first rocking chair assembled, let's go ahead and give it a test. Well, we've got chair number 1 finished, so I figured this was a good time for a quick hydration break and a comfort test. First impressions, it's pretty comfortable. The rocking motion is smooth. The seat feels supportive, and I can already tell this is going to be one of those chairs you sit down in for 5 minutes and end up staying for half an hour. Fun fact, rocking chairs have been around for hundreds of years, and researchers have found that gentle rocking motions help people feel calmer and more relaxed. Honestly, I can kind of see why. All right, break's over. We've still got another chair and a table to build. That first chair took 20 to 30 minutes to build, so I'm going to speed this up a little bit. 2 chairs down and a table to go. So we're almost finished. We're at the table. It's got the table top, the table bottom, 4 legs, and 12 screws. We're going to go ahead and get this put together pretty quickly. All right, everything's together. Assembly was pretty straightforward. The instructions were easy to follow. All the hardware was included, and having 2 people definitely helped move things along. Overall, I think this set looks great, feels sturdy, and adds a nice touch to the porch. If you've been thinking about upgrading your outdoor seating, this one is definitely worth considering.